Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix the Mortal Kombat 1 Omni Man not working. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So first fix that you can do is to verify your purchase and installation. So for those who have pre-recorded the Omni Man DLC, issues may be tied to the purchase or installation process, so head to the Microsoft Store where you made the DLC purchase and confirm if only Omni-Man is listed for acquisition. And if so, click on it and search for the installation option. So in case you've already installed the DLC, just ensure the installation was successful. So verify the completeness of the installation, ensuring all files are present. And if any problems with installation persist, attempt to reinstall the DLC to see if it resolves the issue. And the next what you can do is to check for bundles download. So if you've persistently or if you're persistently facing issues with Omni-Man not functioning properly, so there's a chance that the DLC wasn't installed correctly. So in such instances, consider downloading the DLC via the Combat Pack 1 bundle. So navigate to the Microsoft Store and access the Combat Pack 1 and scroll down to the in this bundle section and just locate the Omni-Man and check if it's available for download, and if so, proceed to download and install the DLC through the bundle to determine if this resolves the issue. The next what you can do is to download Omni-Man from the PS5 mobile app. So for Mortal Kombat 1 players on a PS5 console encountering problems with Omni-Man, an alternative solution is to attempt downloading the DLC from the PS5 mobile apps. So open the PS5 mobile app and then navigate to the add-ons menu and search for the Omni-Man and initiate the download. So after the download is finished, close the game on your PS5 console and then restart it. And after that, just verify whether Omni-Man is now accessible and if the issue has been resolved. And then lastly, what you can do is to restart your console. So if you've successfully downloaded Omni-Man to your console, but you're still encountering issues with him being unavailable to play, consider restarting your console. So turn off your console and then power it back on. And after your console has restarted, check whether Omni-Man is now accessible to play and assess if the issue has been resolved. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.